Hey, can I also have a gun? Varför har en pizzakock ett vapen? Okej. Hello.
Hey. Yes. Yes.
Oj,
Hey.
oj, oj, en hitman.
Hey, this is
Hello?
a robbery. Drop all your belongings or I'm gonna shoot you.
Polisen.
This is a robbery. Drop all your weapons and guns and money. Hey.
Hey. Hey, bro, I want a weapon, bro. Can you...
I only have like a very expensive guns right now, so I can.
Yeah, you have the money, bro. I'm rich as fuck.
I'm rich as fuck.
Okay, so like, how much would you give for this gun? A
Yeah,
double
maybe
barrel?
$2.
Yeah, maybe $2.
No.
I can give you a lot more, like a double. Let me say, let me get 4.
That's enough. No, not $4.
Yo. No. You agreed on
They're
that.
like literally.
Bro,
one shot.
10. Take it or leave it, bro.
10. Take it or leave it, bro.
20.
No.
45. 45, bro.
90.
Bro, that's a killer deal, bro.
That's a killer deal, bro.
90. You're never
Bro.
Hey man. 1,000
would-
plus the baby,
Why
okay?
Why should he kill me?
1,000 plus the baby.
What? What?
Get the hell out
500.
Hey, yo, thieves, we should like all rob the bank.
500.
Hey.
Oh, chop!
Who's selling their printers?
Bro, give me my sniper back, bro.
Sniper back, bro.
Wait. Is
Oh, I'm sorry, I misclicked.
Bro, what are you doing? You gotta do that.
I
You gotta do that.
misclicked. Stay still, dude.
Yeah, that sucks, bro. Fart 6.
There we go. Goodbye.
Yeah,
Oh, jävlar.
thank you.
What the fuck? Jag blev inlurad ur en jävla drogkartell. De bara böjde ner mig.
Can you give me a weapon, bro?
Hey, Gora, you wanna follow me? Do something?
Bro, can I buy a weapon from you, bro?
help him. Thank you. Goodbye.
Please put a
Yeah, let me
sign,
take you.
46 has been a bartender.
How do I get a gun, bro? Hey, bro. Bro, swap, bro. Swap, bro.
Det kostade $500 att öppna en dörr, det var ingenting där inne.
I need a drink.
Stop.
Hey, bro.
Stop.
Hey, bro.
Why?
Hey, this is a bro.
Stand still.
Why?
Stand still. Jag kan bara göra sådär, kan gå ut och slå folk och arrestera dem i 120 sekunder.
Yeah, bro. I killed the mayor, bro. Do you want a drink, bro?
Do you want a drink, bro? Whoa.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Police officer, you wanna die? Okay, good.
You're allowed to go
Why are you
outside.
yelling?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Bro, don't kill me, bro.
Oh, this is nice. Jag hittade deras hemliga lilla ingång och gick in. Jävla bankvärd. Jag bara, oh, this is nice. Han vände sig och bara, what the fuck?
Nice, bro. Hey, do you want a drink? I'm a bartender, bro.
I'm a bartender, bro.
Vänta, kom, jag släpper in dig i bankvalvet. Kom hit.
bitch.
Hey, bro, do you want a drink?
Hey, bro, do you want a drink?
Kom.
That's more like.
Hey, bro, do you want a drink?
Hey, bro, do you want a drink?
Oh fuck, de låste dörren. Hey, let me out, man. There's a crazy bartender in here. Let me out, man. Oh! Jag har 11 HP. Hello? Jag har 2.
Get me.
Hey, bro, let us out. I'll kill him otherwise, bro. Don't even worry about it. You want some alcohol, bro?
Put some alcohol, bro?
Me, you bitch.
Jävlar vad det slog mig.
Bro is dead, bro. Let me out.
Jag vill fan kolla vad fan. What the fuck?
Hey, bro, you want a drink?
Ja, de här är väl säkert en drink. Let me out, man.
Bro, we want to. Hey, there's a scene here. What up? Let me dance for you.
Let me.
Hey, yeah. Hey.
Hey, yeah. Hey. Hey, yeah. Do you want a drink? Hey, do you want a drink?
How do I get a gun? Bro, what up?
Get the fuck. Hey, open the fucking door, mate.
Bro, can I get a pizza? Can I get a large pizza pie?
Can I get a pizza?
Sorry, no.
Pizza?
Please.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Why the fuck did you already aim me?
I'm sorry. Hey man, I'm gonna get you out. Can I come in? I wanna buy a gun.
Yeah, don't
Hey, gun
shoot me,
dealer,
bro.
I actually have $22,000.
Can I get it? Can I get you a drink?
Can I get you a drink?
I kill you.
Yeah, can you let me out, bro? Can you let me out?
Get out! This is my home, not yours. Okay?
Yeah, open the door, dumbass.
Yeah.
Open the door,
Open the
smartass.
door, bro. Open the door, bro.
The door is for my friend.
Kill him, bro. Kill him. Kill him, bro. Kill him.
I need your pee-pee. Give me your pee-pee.
No.
Give me your pee-pee.
Go, bro. Go. Live a free life.
Go. Just run. Run for it.